Have you ever wondered if there's more to life than chasing after money and material possessions? What if your true purpose on earth is far greater than accumulating wealth? In a world where we're constantly bombarded with messages about the importance of financial success, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. But what if we told you that you are here for a much higher reason? That your existence has a profound meaning beyond serving the fictitious construct of money. Money is a human-made invention that has taken control of our lives. We've been conditioned to believe that the pursuit of wealth is the ultimate goal and that our worth is measured by the size of our bank accounts. But the truth is, money is just a tool, a means to an end. When we become too focused on accumulating wealth, we often lose sight of our true purpose and the things that bring us genuine happiness and fulfillment. It's time to challenge the conventional definition of success. Society tells us that success is all about climbing the corporate ladder, buying expensive things, and having a large sum of money in the bank. But is that really what life is all about? True success lies in aligning with our higher purpose, in using our unique gifts and talents to make a positive impact on the world around us. When we shift our focus from material gains to serving others and making a difference, we open ourselves up to a whole new level of fulfillment and joy. Each and every one of us has a special role to play in bringing heaven to earth. We all have unique abilities and passions that we can use to create positive change in the world. But how do we discover what our divine mission is? The answer lies within ourselves. By taking the time to look inward and connect with our inner guidance, we can begin to uncover the purpose that we were born to fulfill. It's not about trying to fit into someone else's mold or living up to society's expectations. It's about embracing our authentic selves and using our gifts to serve the greater good. In order to discover our true purpose, we need to learn how to quiet the noise of the external world and listen to the wisdom within. Our intuition is a powerful tool that can guide us towards our highest path, but it's often drowned out by the constant chatter of our minds and the opinions of others. By developing a daily practice of meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature, we can begin to cultivate a deeper connection with our inner guidance. As we learn to trust our intuition and follow its nudges, we'll find that we're naturally led towards the people, places, and experiences that align with our soul's purpose. True fulfillment comes from using our abilities to serve others and make a positive difference in the world. When we shift our focus from self-centered pursuits to being of service, we tap into a deep sense of meaning and purpose. It doesn't have to be anything grandiose or world-changing. Even small acts of kindness and compassion can create ripples of positive change. By looking for opportunities to help others and make a difference in our communities, we begin to align our actions with our higher purpose and experience the joy that comes from living a life of service. Living in integrity with our core values is essential to bringing heaven to earth. When our actions and choices are in alignment with what we believe in, we experience a sense of inner peace and harmony. But when we compromise our values for the sake of money, status, or other external rewards, we create discord within ourselves and contribute to the negativity in the world. By taking the time to clarify our values and making a commitment to living in alignment with them, we become a force for positive change and inspire others to do the same. One of the most powerful ways to shift our focus from lack to abundance is to cultivate a practice of gratitude. When we take the time to appreciate the blessings in our lives, no matter how small, we open ourselves up to receiving even more. By focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, we begin to attract more positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. Simple practices like keeping a gratitude journal, saying thank you throughout the day, or sharing our appreciation with others can have a profound impact on our overall well-being and happiness. As human beings, we are wired for connection. We thrive when we feel supported, loved, and understood by others. But in a world that often prioritizes superficial relationships and material success, it can be easy to feel disconnected and alone. Building meaningful connections based on authenticity, compassion, and mutual support is essential to creating a more harmonious world. By seeking out like-minded individuals who share our values and purpose, we create a network of support that uplifts and inspires us to be our best selves. Life is full of challenges and obstacles, but it's how we choose to respond to them that determines our success and happiness. When we view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, we develop resilience and strength of character. Instead of getting discouraged by setbacks or failures, we can choose to see them as stepping stones on the path to our highest potential. By maintaining a positive outlook and focusing on solutions rather than problems, we become unstoppable in pursuit of our purpose. Bringing heaven to earth is not some far-off, unattainable goal. It's something that we can create through our daily choices and actions. By aligning with our higher purpose, serving others with compassion and kindness, cultivating gratitude and abundance, building meaningful connections, and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, we begin to experience a heaven-like existence right here on earth. It's not about waiting for some future reward or afterlife. It's about creating a life of joy, fulfillment, and positive impact in the present moment. So what does it mean to truly bring heaven to earth? It means recognizing that our lives have a deeper meaning beyond the pursuit of money and material possessions. It means discovering our unique gifts and talents and using them to make a positive difference in the world. It means aligning our actions with our values, cultivating gratitude and abundance, building meaningful connections, and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. By making a conscious choice to live our lives in service to something greater than ourselves, we become a force for positive change and inspire others to do the same. As we come to the end of this video, we invite you to take a moment to reflect on your own life and purpose. What makes you come alive? What are the unique gifts and talents that you have to offer the world? How can you use them to create a positive impact and bring more light and love to those around you? Remember, you are not here to serve fictitious money, you are here to bring heaven to earth. By aligning with your higher purpose and making conscious choices that contribute to a better world, you become part of a global movement of individuals dedicated to creating positive change. So let us ask you this: are you ready to step into your true purpose and create a life of meaning, fulfillment, and positive impact? Are you ready to join the ranks of those who are bringing heaven to earth through their daily actions and choices? If so, we invite you to take inspired action today. Start by setting an intention to live your life in alignment with your values and purpose. Look for opportunities to serve others and make a difference, no matter how small. Cultivate a practice of gratitude and focus on abundance rather than lack. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support and inspire you to be your best self. And most importantly, trust in the journey and know that you are exactly where you are meant to be. Together, we can create a world where love, compassion, and service are the guiding principles. A world where we recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and work together to create a brighter future for all. A world where heaven is not some distant, unattainable concept, but a tangible reality that we create through our daily choices and actions. So let us rise up and embrace our true purpose to bring heaven to earth and create a world that works for everyone. The time is now, and the power is within each and every one of us. Let's do this together.